Sarap nga. This cake, this cassava cake changed my life.
Welcome back, guys. This traditional Filipino snack topped with a generous custard layer is one that will keep you coming back for more. It's sweet and irresistibly good. Here's cassava cake! Oh, it looks so nice. Yan. I like it. Ganyan, tama lang yan, Dad. Oh, so nice. Hi, this is my cassava cake. Sarap. Yung mga totoong review naman. Taste. Okay naman, Dad, lasa. Hindi siya matamis or ano.
Just perfect for
For you.
consumption.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more DMTV videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share with your friends.